everyone, check out these circular planters I have here. I'm gonna plant a bunch of blueberries, and so I need quite a few of these, and so I'm just gonna put them together one by one. Here's all the parts that came in the box. First step is to peel the plastic on this side of this thing. All right, I got all the plastic taken off them. Now I'm gonna just start assembling them all. All right, here's all the fasteners. Give you some gloves too, some washers. There's the nuts that go on the end there, or on the side. Get one of these. And here you got a Phillips on that side, flathead on that side. And there's how they go, just like that. So that's the outside, that's the inside right there. Washer and then the nut. Let's do the same thing for the rest of the pieces. All right, I found it quickest to use this for those screws. Use the cordless there and then just hold this, the nut on the bottom there. Okay, now all I'll do is just take this piece, put it along there. Just snaps in all along this whole top ridge here. Okay, then with the excess here, just gonna cut it right there. There we go, that's how you put them together. Now I'm just gonna do some weed barrier, some soil, and then maybe some plant growth transplant stuff. Put the blueberries in, and put the bark dust on top of the soil, and put some nets around it to keep the deer away after we put the blueberries in.